Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how I tint my brows. So, matagal ko na to ginagawa guys. Almost 3 years na nga siguro. And also, the reason why I want to make a video about this, marami po akong friends who are already mommy, tapos wala na rin sila gaanong time sa kanilang sarili. So, this video might help para rin hassle-free and also, yes, also just to teach you guys. So, if you're interested, just keep on watching. And also, before I start, guys, I would just like to thank you guys for my 10k subscribers. Maraming salamat guys sa pagsusubscribe and sa mga loyal subscribers ko, who has been supporting me. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much. So, ayun na nga. Ngayon wala po akong kilay kaya mukha akong ewan dito. And also, it's already 1:51 AM guys. Ayan. Kaya ang haggard ko na rin. So, let's just start with cleaning our brows. So, wala akong kahit ano dito sa aking kilay. So, to be honest guys, microblading eyebrows ako. Kaya may pagka, ayan no, nakikita niyo may pagka tint din siya. Ayan. Ayan ng manok. Tapos, ang tawag dito, so yeah, before I start also, I'm just going to pluck yung mga maliliit na mga kakatubo lang na kilay. Linisan lang natin guys. Make sure na malinis guys kasi baka kapag nalagyan nyo ng tint is magiging makalat din yung kilay nyo, yung result. So guys, yung binabanggit kong pang tint ng kilay is tong Bigen. Ayan. This is only 60 plus, 60 pesos, 64, ganyan, 60. Basta nasa 60 pesos lang siya. Ayan. So, ito yung pang dye ng buhok, pero ginagamit ko siya pang kilay. Meron kasi akong ginagamit talaga na pang tint ng kilay. It's a henna siya pero halos wala na siya sa market. Hindi ko na siya makita. Siguro na phase out na. So, ito yung itsura ng box nung dye natin. Yan. Bigen. So, ang madalas kong ginagamit is yung chestnut brown or yung brown. Wag yung black, guys. Kung gusto nyo ma-achieve yung kilay ni McDonald's, gamitin nyo yung black. Pero, for natural look is yung chestnut brown or yung medium brown or basta yung brown lang. Wag yung black brown. So, after natin malinisan or i-pluck yung mga maliliit na kakatubo lang na kilay is that I'm just going to apply concealer. Kahit anong concealer guys or kahit anong foundation, mas okay pa nga kung petroleum jelly. So, lalagyan ko lang siya sa gilid para wala tayong lagpas-lagpas. And then yung sa kabila naman. So guys, bago nyo pala gamitin tong product na to, please always read yung instructions na nasa loob. Ito. Kasi guys, marami po tayong, may mga iba po dyan na may allergies na hindi po natin alam kung may reaction ba ito sa ating balat. So, always do a patch test. Yun nga lagi kong ina-advise. So, you will see an instruction dito. Merong nakalagay na skin allergy test. So, take a pinch of Bigen powder in a non-metallic cup and mix with room temperature water to make a paste. Apply the mixture to a small area of skin behind ear, ayan, behind ear or on inner band of elbow, ayan, with a cotton swab. So, allow the area to dry and leave undisturbed for 48 hours. If you notice any signs of burning, swelling, redness, or irritation during 48 hours, you must not use this product. So, let's just start by mixing it. So, guys, meron na pala ako ditong tabo na may tubig. So, sa loob pala nitong box, you will see also etong maliit na container. Dito po natin i-mix yung powder. So, onti lang, guys, kahit a half of teaspoon ng water. Ayan. Kahit half of teaspoon ng tubig, ganyan. Onti lang. And also, kailangan nyo pala guys ng brush. Yan, yung brush na pang kilay. And we're just going to mix it. So guys, dapat yung texture niya is paste-like this one. Ayan. Hindi yung watery or hindi yung buo-buo. So, pakita na natin sa ating kilay. Always start dito sa edge. Dito sa end part. And guys, take note, kapag malapit na kayo sa area na to, wag nyo na siya masyadong diinan para onti lang yung product na ma-apply para ma-achieve natin yung may pagka-fade na effect banda dito. So, after natin magkilay guys, we're just going to start yung timer for 10 minutes only.
A few moments later.
So guys, after 10 minutes, pwede na nating banlawan or kuha kayo ng tela tapos basain na lang natin. So yan, meron akong tabo dito. Tapos we're just going to wipe it off. Dahan-dahan guys ha. So, there you have it guys. Ito na yung final look ng ating tinted brows. Ayan. So, kahit ganyanin mo yan, kahit basain mo yan, hindi siya natatanggal. So, yun na nga. Tatagal po to sa inyong kilay for 1 week or to 2 weeks. Depende po sa balat po natin. Kasi yung sa akin, inaabot lang ng 5 days kasi nga oily skin ako. Pero, sometimes, naglalast naman siya for a week. Ganyan. So, ayan po ang ating kilay. So guys, kung gusto nyo naman yung hindi ganun kakapal, tulad nito, kasi gusto ko talaga yung makapal tas dark, you could just leave it for 5 minutes or less than 10 minutes, ganyan, para ma-achieve nyo yung light tint lang. And also guys, mag-fade lang din naman siya kaya huwag kayong mag-alala kung masyadong dark yung pagkakalagay nyo. So there you have it guys. Dito na po tayo magtatapos. And if you do like this video and if you think that this is helpful, please leave a thumbs up and also comment down below any suggestions or opinions about this product. So you may now skip this or you can still continue yung video na to kasi magsha-shoutout lang ako para sa mga subscribers ko and sa mga nagre-request lang. So before I end this video, I would just like to give a shout out kay Emerson Vlogs and Covers, Karen Velasquez, Jane Avril, also YouTuber. You can check out her channel guys. Ayan, super cute niya. And also Erich Jade, Kirsten Jimenez, Christian Perono, Mark Christian Akain, and si Mark Matthew Manalo, and also sa friend ko na si Moya. You can check out his channel also guys. It's just Moya yan. And lastly, special shoutout kay Laika Angel. It's her parents' 16th wedding anniversary. So, happy anniversary po sa mama and papa ni Laika Angel. And for those who are watching my videos, please don't forget to subscribe and also click that notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I post new videos like this one. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. God bless you all. Bye-bye.